How to copy Discord's user ID. What is up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily copy someone's Discord ID. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your Discord. You can do that in your app, or if you prefer to use browser, you can just open up Discord on your browser as well. So go ahead and search for discord.com. And from here, you can just continue it on your browser and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, the first thing you need to do is turn on the developers mode to make sure that you are able to copy the ID, because it's exclusively for developers and it can only be used under Discord's terms and conditions, and you cannot use it outside that. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the gear icon right beside your name to open up your settings menu. Now on the left navigation bar, you'll find many options. Just scroll down a bit and under app settings, you'll find advanced mode at the very end. Just tap on advanced and make sure that you toggle on the Discord's developers mode. And once you do that, you can press escape button on your keyboard, or you can just press this cross here to exit out of your settings. And from here, you can just head over to any server you like, and then you can just go ahead and copy anyone's ID. To do that, you can find the user that you want to copy ID from. For example, if I want to copy the ID from this user right here, I'm just going to right click on it, and right at the bottom I have this option to copy user ID, and now you have successfully copied user ID from your Discord. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.